After 6 years in the cooking at Apple's Innovation Labs, Apple's AR initiative has come out to the public. Referred to as a spatial computer, the Apple Vision Pro shows that Apple's AR options would not be limited to just the iPhone. This is Apple's first major product category since the HomePod launch back in 2017. This is definitely bigger than the HomePods and the AirPods, and even the Apple Watch. Apple's fourth major product after the iPhone, iPod, and Mac computer. The main focus behind the Vision Pro is that this is a standalone product, not an accessory. You can call people from it, you can access apps, you can watch movies and play games, and you can do your work. This is no companion device designed to augment your phone, tablet, or computer, it's designed to replace them eventually. The company seemingly went the AR route over VR, so the wearer was still in touch with their surroundings, and went as far as having a screen on the outside so others can see a facsimile of your face. But these things inherently detach you from your surroundings, and are probably the last thing people need when we are already so addicted to the things we currently have. Apple quoted at the launch that the Vision Pro will start from $3,499, which is quite in the high end if they are targeting the general public on selling the product. But if Apple thinks it can replace your phone, computer, and tablet with the Vision Pro, it would take some time to reverse the mindset of the consumer to ditch all three for this. On a technological level, this is a great product. But the downside is about the social implications of using this in its intended manner, and what it will do to a society that is already getting increasingly detached from one another physically. What we don't want to see is people in the same household using the Vision Pro to talk to each other than face to face. Let us know your views on Apple's Vision Pro in the comments section, and don't forget to subscribe for more news just like this.